The international break is over, thank goodness for that. Have a little look at this outfit I'm wearing today. Snazzy! Yeah. Troy D, the big dog, back in the team, back in the team. Smart ketchup, obviously. Sometimes as a manager, you've just got to be ruthless, you've got to do what's best for the team. Proper old school football stadium, this is lovely. How weird is that fake crowd noise, by the way? Yeah, that's football, should have won. The international break is over, thank goodness for that. You know what that means though, away days, GoPro in the goal, all the usual behind the scenes footage. But first, bike time. By the way, just have a little look at this outfit I'm wearing today. Snazzy! We are second in the league. If we win this tomorrow, we could potentially go first, which is incredible because between now and Christmas, there's 10 games. See these wicked Oakley glasses? Did a video the other day with Theo Gegenhardt, Giro 2020 winner, absolute legend of a bloke. Came out on his pink Pinarello. Seriously, what a laugh, what a lad. Had a wicked time, made a sweet video. If you haven't watched that video actually, go back and watch it. It is class, seriously, absolute class. Actually, do not go back yet. Stay here, watch this video. Then when this finishes, go back and watch it. No more talking, it's freezing. And it's raining, and I need to get a wriggle on and warm myself up. Oh. Right, there you go, job done, 34 kilometers, sweet as a nut. I'm gonna go and get in a nice warm bath because it's cold, and then I'm gonna head down to training and see the lads. Just arrived at the training ground, temperature check.
Temperature check. Absolutely fine.
Damn, I wanted to go home. There he is, there's your boy. Smile, mate. Morning, you lot. Troy D, the big dog. Back in the team, back in the team. Goals for fun, bullying. Coffee. It is a hat and snood combo today. New pair of gloves. It is freezing. Come on, the boys. Come, come, come. It's official. It is winter. It is absolutely freezing. It is only 20 past 4. Look how dark it is already. Never mind, gonna get some food, straight on the coach, on the way to the hotel in QPR. Come on, the boys. Right, Stickman crew. Craig Cathcart, honestly, the best player in the world, I think. The world. Except for I'm first at the minute. You're a wee dick, eh? Right, 201 we're looking for. Right, let's have a look. Hello. Oh, that's all right. We got sweet as a nut. Right, it's dinner time, which I'm buzzing about because even though we ate about 2 hours ago, I'm still absolutely starving. Look. What a beast, bro. We've got a pool table outside the dinner hall, which is nice. Let's have a look. Oh, that's a big old room, isn't it?
Yes, Ben.
You cooked us a storm again tonight, yeah?
Yeah, of course.
As per usual. What a beast. Good selection of bread. I'm going to take my bowl of fruit and my little snack bag to bed with me like a good boy. And I'll see you all in the morning. Good night. Morning everybody, it's match day. It's nearly 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna go and get my brecco in a minute, but first of all, weather is actually pretty sweet to be fair. It's like 12, 13 degrees, no wind really. We are right under a flight path. The hotel we're at, by the way, which is lovely, London Scion Park Hotel it's called. Lovely hotel, Hilton Hotel. We're right under a flight path and I didn't even notice last night, honestly. I literally, once my head hits the pillow, I am gone. Anyway, let's go and get some brecco. I'm starving. Coffee time, brecco, the usual. What are them green birds? I didn't know you had green birds in the UK. Come on, smile. Thanks, chef.
No worries.
Oh. Tomato ketchup, obviously. All right, just got back to my room and I've just had a massive panic up because I haven't done my dream team yet, so I don't know what time the cut-off time is before you make the last transfers. 11 o'clock it is, thank God. It's 10 o'clock now, so I've still got an hour, but look, massive surgery needed. Big injuries to big players. Big decisions were made. Sometimes as a manager, you've just got to be ruthless. You've got to do what's best for the team. Timo Werner, Bruno Fernandes, Jamal Lewis. I think I quite like the look of that team. Pre-match meal. Sweet potatoes, fish, pesto, ketchup. Go on the lads.
Alright.
Come on. I know it's only been 2 weeks, it doesn't matter though. Missed it like crazy. We're the same as you guys. Nobody likes the international break. And if we win today, we can potentially go first. Come on the boys. Come on the boys. Come on the boys.
See you later, big fella.
See you, big dog. Where we going, Leon?
Over that way, sir.
Love that.
All
Alright guys. That's a long walk.
Guys, toilet's upstairs on the right.
Thank you.
What's your salad?
Oh, look at this. It's a big old room, isn't it?
You got that?
Yeah, you. Proper old school football stadium. This is lovely. Come on, man, the boys. Well, Mark, come on. Well done, lads. Great start, boys. Yes, Wilmo. Yes, Kensema. Oh, love it. Love it. Stay there. Get 18. Get 18. Hey, on your toes! Hey, nice and strong, man, come on! Yes, Kiko, brilliant, mate! Get up! Go on, get up! No cross, Kiko! Hold there! Winner! Oh! Get up, get up, get up! Come on! 1-0, half time. How weird is that fake crowd noise, by the way? We have absolutely battered these, seriously. Like, it should be 5 or 6. Only 1 though, still. Never know when it's 1-0. Come on, the boys. Come on, Dad! Come on, yeah? Do you slowly, mate? Let's go. Ready? Get up, then. Oh, try again. Wait, wait. Over. Come on, come on. Winner. That well. Brilliant, mate. nothing. Sloppy game from us, 1-1 in the end. Didn't take our chances, that's football. Brilliant. Yeah, that's football. Should have won. Don't score the goals, you ain't gonna win. Another game Tuesday though, big game. Come on the boys. So full time from Loftus Road, finished 1-1 in the end. Fair play to QPR. We dominated the first half, but they definitely dominated the second half. We didn't take our chances, and fair play to them. They came out in the second half the better team. They were the ones on the front foot. We gave them far too much space, far too much time on the ball. But not the end of the world. We've got another game Wednesday, Bristol City away. Look to bounce back, get 3 more points. Thanks for watching these videos. You know I love making them for you all. I've got another giveaway for you. These are my match-worn gloves from today's game. If you want to stand a chance of winning this game, give this video a like, subscribe, and then get in the comments and let me know who your favourite goalkeeper is. Your favourite ever goalkeeper. We're talking old school goalies, new school, everything. Let me know. I'll pick somebody at random. All the best. I will see you all soon. Friday night, I think, the next video, Bristol City away. That'll be Friday night. That's coming out. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. That all looks way too healthy. I would absolutely nail a big pint of Coke. Did I say Coke then, or a pint of beer? Either one of them I'd absolutely nail right now, wouldn't we, Parksy?
Of course.
Of course.